It's just gorgeous, isn't it? I mean, I know it's a mess, but
I didn't dare touch the innards.
well, we didn't have a lot of time to do it.
No.
It was like all that rubbish got to come in. Nice to
Because
think
it's a beautiful colour, blue.
nice to think the
Polish-
inside's the same,
polish.
isn't it?
Are you going to polish, Andy?
Yeah, it's just a look at the house. Was that the same enamel and the colour that they used on all of them? Because it's the same.
Yeah, it's
all
on
that
there,
one,
yeah.
It's like that, isn't it? Yeah.
Wow.
I've noticed those crimp tags before. Do you think that's a modification or are they all these purples?
They do look a bit
New.
lighter, don't they?
Probably the modifications.
All right, can see the
Clutch.
Yeah, well, you take the back off of it.
Yeah.
Don't you? Remind you what it looks like.
Yeah.
Just hold onto that lid and it collapsing at that back side.
Yeah.
It's on. Yeah.
It's not falling out.
Well, I have to say, I never thought I was going to be honoured enough to see one of these. So, yes. It's been worth the 300 odd mile trip on its own, I think. There you go. How bizarre would it be if it was one of those there?
Yeah. There's a end of production picture of one on there as well.
Because I'd seen the older
Yeah.
foot stills before, but I've not seen the I don't remember seeing the Keymatic
there's a lot of
assembly
new
line.
ones on there.
But yeah, but I mean that's not changed, is it? You know it. No.